Good afternoon. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's, Scottsdale. Here in Phoenix today, we're at basically Tatum and Shea at 11039 North 42nd Street in Phoenix, 85028. We've got a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, beautifully renovated with heated pool. So many amenities, it's crazy. Even new mailbox. Anyways, it's 2186 on the square footage. It's absolutely awesome. I'm going to take you through it now, and the asking price is 1.5. There is no HOA here, so that's cool. We've got a huge side lot here that you can landscape, do whatever you want with it. Obviously, this landscaping has already been taken care of. Nice little sitting area here. And so let's get into the house where it's cool. It's got really nice inviting living room, can lighting. It's a list of all the upgrades. I'll post a photo of that online on my social media so you can check that out later. Beautiful quartz countertops, shaker cabinetry, all soft close. A little wine bar. Got a farmhouse sink. Maximize all the storage for sure. Beautiful gas stove with pot filler, always convenient. And beautiful outside, I'll get there in a second. I just want the phone to cool down a little bit before I take it out in the heat again. Oh, looks like somebody's coming to the open house here. I might have to wrap this up kind of quick. So yeah, the blackout shades that pull across for privacy. It's a great backyard. I can't wait to go out there. I'll have to break that out in part 2. But just wanted to show you this. Master bath and walk-in closet. And I'll get right back to you. Somebody's here, so I'm gonna have to break this off into 2 parts.